Now, this illustration deals with guest rooms or guest suites in hotels and motels in accordance with 210.70B. Now, say that you had some receptacles that were located behind the bed in such a manner that you could lay it out, according plug connect table lamps to, maybe even have accordion plug connection to table lamps with additional receptacles in the table lamps for plugging in computers, phones, and things of that nature. Notice the rule, though, for those receptacles if they're behind the bed. Bed must not contact attachment plugs, or guards shall be used to prevent that from happening. And then you see the receptacle outlets in 210.60A and B. Now, mainly these receptacle outlets, basically, you would outline the number needed in the room based upon 210.52. The only difference is you can relocate them for the layout of the furniture in hotels and motels. You notice the readily accessible outlets there that are readily accessible, and you have your TV there and so forth that's already plugged into something, and those are there just for the counter space that's next to it. And then in the bathroom, that is not considered a dwelling unit because you don't meet the definition of a dwelling unit according to Article 100. You have to have those things listed there to be considered a dwelling and so forth. You have everything in this room, everything, except what? You don't have permanent means for cooking. So therefore, it's not considered a dwelling unit. But you would be then with the receptacle requirements in there where you, by the sink and basin, where grooming tools would be plugged in, such as hair dryers and other things that the ladies may be using. And then notice 210.8B as in boy 1 would require that to be GFCI protected.